off GJ for the day.
Dude, that was it. I didn't even know. That was it. Damn, what am I gonna do today? Trade gold? Fuck.
There you go. Shit. What's up? Shit. Oh, go look alike. Oh,
Bye.
hell
It's
no.
27.
I'm scared to trust that shit. Fuck that. It's been arranged since last night. Oh my. Fuck no. Fuck no, baby. Fuck no. Hey, Red, yo, you know what's so funny? My Red told my mom to buy a gold bar. I'm like, what the fuck is expensive shit? I'm like, shit, boy. It's just like 50 bands.
Nico Yenet Sanchez, what up? Wait, gold bar? How many ounces though?
Yeah. Like a real, like, big boy shit. That shit, like 50K.
Oh fuck, fair.
But like jewelers and shit, jeweler homies, I see them buy like little ones of it,
Mhm.
and them just like I think $300 each, 300, 400. It fluctuates. Gold looks low.
Oh, we got. Nice, nice, nice.
I knew something was up. I need to update my keyboard.
Yo, I'm getting my PC, bro. I'm trying to get it
When
this
is it
weekend.
coming?
Yo, I'm trying to play Valorant, bro. It looks so fucking sick.
Bro, that shit is fucking.
Yo, you
fun,
think it's better than like what's it?
Overwatch?
Or Overwatch and like Fortnite?
It's basically like a mix of Overwatch and CS:GO.
I never played like these games though. Like
It's
this thing.
smooth though. Same, bro. Like I'm getting used to it a little bit. But yeah, it's smooth though. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how it's so smooth for a beta game, but that shit's pretty smooth. It's just like some shit. It's like little tweaks here and there, but it runs pretty smooth, man. Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That shit's fun. Where's the update?
No, guys. So we took one trade already. Me and Jimmy. We took a GGSL. You know, pretty much what happened here was. What happened here was actually price came down. Broke this. So we 30-minute made a low here. We broke that 30-minute low. So that's where I have my. Actually, no, it wasn't this time frame. It was a 15-minute. A 15-minute sell stop. So I had a sell stop right here on a 15-minute. Literally no drawdown. Broke below his low. And then what happened was, if you look left, price had no traffic coming down. So if you look left to here, you're gonna see that GJ here. You know, we had like a resistance over here, like this area, and from the next area of support was like around this area. So like literally from here to here, it's a clean traffic move, and this is the move. You know, it was like 8 pips, but like still like the bank's closed today for GJ, so I didn't even know about that until Jimmy told me here though. Like we got on the trading after we were like, oh shit, the bank holiday. That's why I was like, it was only like 6 pips. Now it's just like, you know, every time we run into TP, we tap the support area. I don't know where it's gonna go now. See. Might just come back up to entry, but I closed majority already. So that's the first trade we took, and that's it. Just waiting for NFP, you know, gold today, US30. Always be on the lookout for that. What else can I look at? Bro, I love pound pairs, bro. I can't look at anything else.
Let's look at USD Max. Like,
Oh, nah.
Nah, you're close too, I think.
Any tips for trading NFP? Honestly, bro, just read the reports coming up to it. Like, Google, you know, like if you were to ask me what's gonna happen to NFP today, I would have no clue. I would just go on Google. That's where I found my answer. I'm not no genius, you know. Google it. Google's like the last reports for the month and see how the previous 4 reports for the month was, because there's a report every week for NFP. So just figure out those reports, read on them, and then figure out how the economy is doing, and then stuff like that, and then it'll lead up to the news. Then you can start anticipating those things within your trades, like for gold, for example, or GJ. You know, I personally don't trade the news. I don't have buy stops or sell stops like that for the news. I've just like I don't know. It's not my trading style, not my trading plan. But you can do that as well. It's up to you. I don't do that, but yeah, I just get like the little bits of the news later on. So let's say the news comes out positive, I'll look for a little bit, like I'll look to see how that like eventually play into my whatever move I have coming up, right? So if, for example, I see a gold buy, I see the news come out negative for US dollar, I'll look for potential gold buys, and looking at my technical analysis, I'll wait for like a resistance to be broken or whatever. Like let's say news come bad right here, I'll wait for a candle to come up like this, you know, to close like bullish above here, so we can continue to go up, or like wherever, you know, and stuff like that. But I don't really trade, like I don't really like have a buy stop here or like a sell stop here, like, you know. Yeah, that's my tip for you. It just depends.
Oh yeah, in Euro it's a bank holiday too.
Oh yeah, I seen that. Yeah, no, yeah, French, yeah, holiday. Oh shit, Euro coming down here. Now, so what are we gonna trade today? US dollar?
Yeah.
The US dollar is gonna come up, but like, I don't know if I want to trade today.
Yeah, nah.
I guess it's gonna come up to like this area. See how 4-hour closes.
Bro, I was just finna say another freaking GBP.
Early bird gets the worm. Your mic good, bro?
Yeah, I don't know what just happened. Look, like
I heard some spike. I'm like, what is that?
it was it's my freaking keyboard updating. And like, I don't know why I just did that. It's weird.
Yeah, bro, I love MT5. Probably the like the best upgrade, best decision I've ever made in my trading career so far. You should try it out, like just over the weekend. Just like test out like I don't know, some type of Hughes or some shit, or go on simulator and just test out the broker. It's pretty clean.
You rocking with Trades Domain now?
Yeah. No, cause I tried MT5 for my advantage. Like I'm probably gonna, like, obviously when I switch over, I'm probably gonna switch to MT5 for good for Trader Domain.
I see. Yo.
Yo, what up?
Yo.
What up, Taj?
Come on, yo.
NFP.
Good, man? Good.
You're in Jur 30?
Nah, bro, I just barely woke up. I haven't marked up nothing. It's been moving crazy.
Bro, GBP's closed, Euro closed.
Yeah.
Ain't shit open.
Why?
Bank holiday.
Bro, everything, there's... Oh,
Bro, it was like 5 bank holidays this week. Like, god damn. Have y'all had enough breaks? Damn.
Yo, that guy who got murdered, he's from Atlanta, no?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Atlanta, Georgia.
yeah, that shit's crazy.
Oh yeah, no, that was in Southside.
Oh.
Crazy. Yeah, but those 2 dudes that killed him got arrested yesterday. They finna get charged to a highest extent.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's why I keep my burner on me now. I just got me one.
Keep my shit on me all the time.
Nobody about to hunt me down. Yeah.
Facts. Yeah, we fucked up.
Yo, whatever happened to Lausanne?
Lausanne? I thought he died.
Yo, what happened to that guy?
Did he die?
Nah.
Nah, I don't think he even uses it no more.
I don't know what happened, bro.
Shit, I ain't never listened to him though.
Bro, he's trash. What's the fuck happened to him?
Shit,
Dan Arch.
he just doing another little Zant. Like,
Oh, you posted a song yesterday or some shit. I don't know.
shit, I don't know. Let's see. What's the topic? Change it.
Question: if news come out negative for you, does that mean you just goes bullish, or how does that work? Yeah, usually it correlates like that. Usually, dollar week, gold up. That's usually how it goes. Majority of the time. Obviously, sometimes there's like manipulation, stuff like that, and it leads to gold just going down as well. Like for example, if I averaged there a time, gold is going down, and it went down to 1400 with US30, and both came down. You know, but yeah, usually stuff like this, gold usually goes up if the dollar is bad for NFP.
Bro, I missed all the setups.
Right, if you had that buy for Monday on trade
Bro,
30,
you was sick.
bro, that should happen at 5-5. Oh, that should happen at 5 o'clock. Military time.
I don't.
The 5th.
There we go.
Was that Tuesday? Yeah. Tuesday. You hit that buy? Once it did that last retest? No fucking try that.
That sell yesterday during our the New York stream. The end of New York was pretty good, very nice.
How much fish moving?
You're in it, no? I swear you're in it. Oh, it was like a 30 pip movie cut.
Yeah, I can't remember.
It was like 25 or 30. No, it was like at 9 a.m. Like it was after the I swear you're in it. Like you're on
Oh
the stream.
yeah, my bad.
Yeah.
I was in the stream. Gold. Let's see. What do we see with gold? It's pretty bullish to me.
Yeah, this is bullet.
If it keeps going, it will go here. Align it. Go here. And then if it breaks that, go here. Supports.
Oh, you got a runner right now? Done.
I gotta stop that entry just now. Yeah. I secured like 8 pips though.
That's cool.
8 good.
Support right there. Target areas right there. Oh, I need to sell. Boom.
Where the hell is my bad? Hold on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches. Let's see.
I'm trying to put this. Where is it not popping up?
What happened?
Hold on. It's weird. I'm trying to add this website like to my OBS screen. Hold on.
Animal Crossing stock market.com.
Okay, it says control FX, but where is it? Hello?
Hello. Look at
Is it like behind a layer? Like, where is this, bro?
Brandon, it's hiding, man. I don't want it to come out. Next week. Let's see what we got next week.
Oh snap! They updated Zoom
Yeah,
Yeah.
they've been updated.
a little bit, kind of like it.
The mobile one. Yeah, it's super nice.
So basically, any period of USD, USD will go bullish if news and USD negative. Yes, majority of the time.
Dollar index. Tip. Look at the dollar index, right? And it will show you where like futures and all that is going. Indexes, all that. Pro tip. Dollar DXY. Untraded. DXY. Right now, DXI is looking pretty. Looks like it's alive.
Oh, I think I can add it now. I gotta add it like later. That's weird. Oh, I'll do it another time. Just know that your Facebook link in your description is also Instagram link. Not sure. Yeah, I gotta fix that. I just realized that the other day too, like 2 days ago.
11?
Someone just said in the chat, my Facebook and thing is the link's wrong. My Facebook link. I gotta fix that. Yeah.
So put the link.
But I think if you go on my Instagram, you go to Linktree, it should show like all of the social media. But like yeah, I gotta work on Facebook and Twitter a little more. Cause I'm just too stuck up with the Instagram. So okay, I'm back. The internet hates me. Did you say anything about US 30 bullish? No, I didn't say anything about US 30 yet. I'm gonna actually I did actually. She's at a minor resistance now, so I'll just wait for like a possible break of this range to come up. But like just keep in mind there's news, so I'd rather wait until after news to see what happens. But yeah, if like from a technical standpoint, it's looking bullish. But news obviously we have a high chance of pushing it down because news could come out pretty bad today.
Because DXY is down right now.
Yeah. But then again, it could be like a last NFP news to be a dud. So let's see what happens with NFP.
Oh man.
Be interesting.
Last NFP, bro. Stayed up all night just for it to nothing happened.
Oh man.
Bro, stayed up all night, bro. It barely moved like 50 pips type shit. I'm like, come on, dog.
You don't follow the trade.
Awesome, thank you.
Trade follow you.
No worries, no worries.
Come on, grasshopper.
Okay.
Taj, you had a profitable week. Did a good week.
Bro, I've been barely trading. I haven't, like, bro. I like set it my like mindset. If if I have too much stuff in my mind, I do not trade. Like, my head's like,
Yeah.
I wasn't focused this week, so that's why I traded. I made probably like $400-500 this week, but that was just barely trading. I did like 600, then I did like a $200 loss and some small ones.
Yeah.
So
It's not good to trade when you don't have a mindset, when you're just like distracted and like it's just gonna fuck around with your emotions and your trading plan. So yeah, pretty good.
yeah,
You're staying
a lot of
disciplined.
people don't understand that you gotta have a straight mindset.
Yeah. It's better than losing any pips. Plus 50 pips is lit. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just rather wait for NFPU if you're trading the dollar. Just be aware of that. Don't try to the worst thing that can happen to you right now is you enter a trade after NFP just pushes it the opposite direction. You don't want to be stuck in that position. Yo, where's Sam at, bro? Where are these guys at?
Sleep.
I'm gonna tag this guy.
Hey, sleep. It's Friday.
Yeah, every Friday this guy just sleeps.
Bro,
He wakes up like fuck.
Bro, who the fuck called me at 12 o'clock at night? Go to sleep, G.
There.
God damn.
Hey, what has oil been doing, bro?
Oh, I haven't looked at oil in a week.
Oh, oil? It been jumping because I think it was a cut earlier.
No, like oil, like gas.
Yo, every time I look at this, it throws me off, bro. Look at the daily. Look at my chart, bro. Every time I look at this, it just throws me off. Like, yo, what is this? It went through my screen, bro. When is it coming out? I'm in this buy for US30. I'm trying to see if you should take it out now. Well, you should check forexfactory.com to see when NFP is. But for me, it's 8:30 a.m. Eastern. You know, this is when NFP comes out every week. I mean, every month. Comes out this time every month. So, something you should be aware about. Honestly, yeah, you should be aware about that, man. You can't be trading $1 without knowing what upcoming news will be. Someone who wants to trade, learn how to trade at 12. Yes.
Bro, who was
I don't know, bro. Yo, this shit, it went through my screen, bro. Like, it went.
Bro, it went.
Yo, I'm gonna add that to the screen, to the thing next time. Every time something happens, I'm gonna add a meme on the stream. Alright.
Oh, the African.
Don't even copyright it, bro. That's a real song.
Yeah, that's a rap, bro.
Oh, I know where it is. Oh no. I fixed it, guys.
I'm so scared.
I fixed it. Where should I put it? Down here?
Let me see it.
Proper.
Hold on.
Down there is good, guys? Is that good? You guys can see my screen still?
Good, good, pretty good.
Alright, cool.
Oh, there you go.
Cool. Perfect.
Dang, that boy got 324 subscribers. Let's go, baby.
It's been a month. Like
Dang,
we're
a month
we're,
already?
we're
That's
growing.
great.
Yeah, we're growing. Like, it's been like a month and a half. We're, like, you know, we're still a startup. Once you get past like 1,000, like, we'll be
We got something special for 1,000. We're dropping 1,000 pips. Whoops. Ruin the spoiler. Ruin the surprise.
Yeah, GG's actually still moving. Still, I don't know how it's moving, but it's still moving like quite a bit.
Let's see.
It's come back into range now, so right now it's probably gonna come up and still. We're still bullish on the daily and shit, but yeah, that move down was a pretty nice move. Clean traffic, you know. So for those that are new, this is not a signal stream, okay? Keep that in mind. It's not a signal stream. You're just waiting for signals. That's not that shouldn't be the first thing that comes to mind. You should come to the stream and just
educational purposes.
Educational
Yeah.
purposes. We're not here to.
like, yeah, of course you'll see me out of my screen when I enter a buy or sell. Like, these are my trades up here. Plus 8 pips. These are my personal trades I'm taking. But you have the option to take it or not. I just give a full breakdown of it. I give my trade, and if I'm in it, I close wherever I wanted to. I take profit whenever I wanted to. If you're not happy with 8 pips, then you're not happy. Then, you know, that's just you. 8 pips is my comfort level, and I'm fine taking 8 pips of profit. So it's like someone overnight was like, "Yo, this guy only catches like 10 pips and he dips." Okay, what's wrong with that? Makes no sense. Who are you to tell me that? Who are you to like Ted said? Who are you to tell me what my comfort level is?
That's like basically telling someone like.
Yeah, like it's like yo, when you go to a grocery store, does the cashier ask you how many pips you cash, or did they ask you how much
How much?
what your total
yeah.
is?
Yeah.
You know?
Like, bruh, just know. All this trading thing is to you, bruh.
Yeah, every day that's all I care about. So,
Yeah, just take notes, get as much game as you can, and put it to your game plan.
just fill your gaps. Everyone has different gaps. People they can't just ask me all the time like Don what do you think about this? What do you think about or like no not even that just asking like questions I always get that pisses me off the most is so how long should I backtest for or how long should I do this for? How long should I do that for? It's like everyone has different
everyone has different work ethics and
everyone has their own gaps to get filled. Everyone has
You wake up, your schedule,
I guess.
everybody's stuff is different.
Hey, the moment I said it's not a signal stream, we lost like 6 views.
What we do to you? We're here to help.
But yeah, you guys can just ask away in the comment section. I love getting questions. Love getting questions.
Oh, Brad, gas is 99 cents. Hold on. We'll be right back real quick.
Isn't it drive off?
Nah, psych, that shit in North Georgia. Racist. I'm not going there. I know that's a trap. They set me up. I know exactly what gas station is. I'm not going. Yeah, y'all was caught me. Y'all almost got me good.
Yeah, $20 almost filled up my tank today. I was like, damn.
I'm lucky my whip only takes 20 minutes to fill up the tank. Not know. Someone was like, bruh, this is what I hate when I'm posting my car. It was that one dude that was like, oh, your car FOREX funded, but I don't see no trade history. Where do you see in my caption or anything that I said it was FOREX funded? Like, goddamn, hop off my fucking dick. Like, yeah, bro. Then like, bruh, then people's like, oh, since you trading, why didn't you get a better car? The fuck, dude? I've literally been trading for just 3 months, really, and I'm not the type of person to get an expensive car. The fuck? Why? You know? I don't know.
Yeah.
People just built different. I don't know. People mindset not where I'm thinking. I don't think like how other people think. Man. I'd rather save money and get a better car in the future. You know? But people just want to get like the super better one now. Like all these expensive BMWs and Benzes.
Yeah, I'll never buy a foreign in my life.
Nope.
I'll never buy a foreign in my life.
Nope. Once I found out how much is a fucking Benz goddamn tires and all that other shit, I'm like, hell no. Unless I'm making like I don't even know, hella money.
Hey, my first car is gonna be a Bugatti. Joking.
Alright, bro.
Just imagine. Just imagine your first car being a Bugatti. Your first car. Your first like.
I thought you was gonna get a Porsche.
That was like last year when I said that. That's what I wanted last year. I don't think.
Mine's now, huh?
It's been my life has is different now. I don't want that no more.
Getting a Lambo, man. I can lie.
Nah, I don't have my drivers yet though. I can't even get anything. I need to get my drivers after this virus ends.
Well, what are you gonna pre-order?
Honda Civic.
You said a Honda.
Honda Civic 2002 Honda Civic.
Yes, sir. Pre-order game.
This guy. How the hell you go from a Porsche to a Honda Civic?
Hey man, say man, you know.
Hey Jimmy, yo, you have that meme?
Yeah.
Is there a way I can save it? Let me.
Yeah. I'll send it in the chat.
This shit's so funny, bro.
You want the real one or the animated one?
Hold on, let me see if I can add to the screen right now. Let me see this. I'm trying to do some Photoshop here.
Yeah, bro. I'd rather be whipping a fucking Camry with hella money in my bank account than whipping a fucking foreign with barely any money in my bank account.
Yeah.
Crazy, man.
Oh no.
Bruh. But no, not like I don't want to ride in like a super shitbox or anything.
Probably like.
Well, there's nothing wrong with shit
A,
box.
a, a
Yeah,
humble, a
but I-
humble, a humble, expensive car is probably gonna be like a Tesla. Like,
right.
Oh, so you
Saving-
don't
saving
copy
but
no
Teslas aren't even like,
kind of dude.
they're not too crazy high. Like,
Not too crazy. Not too crazy.
Of course, it's not crazy.
Of course,
the,
it's
Por-
fucking
the Porsche is crazy, bro.
You know
No,
how expensive that maintenance is? That's expensive as fuck.
Don, you know how to change your own oil, bro?
sir, I do not have a car, bro.
Well, I'm pretty sure you tried doing something with a car, except sitting in it.
I never drove a car, bro.
Damn.
Never.
You never drove.
I have a simulator. You want that? You remember that? I
Simulator.
posted. I'm not sure you
Simulator.
remember that.
Taj, let's put this man on the streets.
I'm gonna buy you a dirt bike, Don. I won't buy you one that's gonna have you have a $12,000 hand, but I'll buy you something, bro. I'll buy you a pocket bike or something.
Don't worry. I'm gonna,
Hey,
I'm gonna buy you
Hey,
a
check my
bike.
screen. Check my screen.
What's up?
Check my UT stream.
Hold up, bro.
I'm gonna buy Don a bike, but you know, like the ones that little monkeys be snatching kids off of. I'm gonna buy that shit for Don.
You check my YouTube screen, bro.
Oh
Hold
hell
on.
no!
This
They gonna play it,
No, it's not a video, bro. Hold on, I want to see if I can put a video. Hold on, this is the funniest stream I ever did in my life. This shit is funny, man.
Hey, the dude in the comment, I respect that comment. They don't want to put in the work.
Yeah, they didn't want to put in a word. They just leave the call. They just want to wait for signals. Like, I'm gonna give more value than signals. So
that's funny.
way more value.
Like, bruh, we're teaching you how to fish, bro. We're not here to goddamn give you the fish. You know, we got. Remember that?
Yeah, bro. I don't know if I can add a
Damn.
video to my thing, like a GIF. I doubt it.
Sorry.
Let me see how to add video to OBS. That'll be funny though.
I think I might buy this retest, bro. I see a retest.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Cause on 15 it opened with no top wick. So I think it's gonna flip.
No, it's about to. I think it's about to buy.
Yeah.
With the clear path.
Yeah, I see. Cause
Oh,
yeah,
it's-
it's flipping, right?
What pair?
Jury 30.
Oh,
It's gonna flip.
Because right now I'm on the 2 hour and I just see a clear path because it broke it and it's back at the retest right now. So let me go back to my 30-minute.
But yo, I'm still dead, bro. My friend, really. I told him just watch Weeks Don't Lie like that. Like 3-hour video of watching the basics, right? This man gonna turn around, spit in my face type shit. Join fucking IML. Come on, dog.
Hell no.
Come on,
I'm trying to add this video to my thing.
man.
Wait, what are we looking at? Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, man. I can't add a video, but this is the best I can do right now. Let me see. I'll make every time something happens, I'll add it to the screen. Say something goes bad, you know.
Yeah, put that like above like a supporting resistance. Everyone when it gets to
I'm not sure if everyone gets it though. Like, they gotta watch the video.
I wonder how they that strong though. Dancing with a fucking coffin and shoulder and shit.
They shoulder blades fucked up, bro.
I'm dead.
Cause it's what 7 pounds to break your shoulder blade or some shit.
Oh shit! I didn't even know that. Damn.
Yeah, it's like 7 pounds or something like that.
Damn.
If applied right,
Mm,
yeah, you can
Fuck.
snap your shit.
shit scary.
That wouldn't be pleasant.
Oh shit! Joe Rogan and Elon Musk are too. I'm gonna watch that shit later.
Why he name his baby A?
Oh, it's Kyle, bro. It's Kyle.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it's just Kyle.
What's that? Is it a joke?
But no, it's not a joke. It's named after some spacecrafts.
Yeah, A.
So he has a nickname.
Yeah, bro, that shit was
Yeah,
wild.
it's called
I watched it on
Ashborn.
YouTube.
It's Ash Arclight, some shit like that. But it's just like someone broke it down. It's really just Kyle Musk. To like simplify it.
Yeah, I watched the YouTube video. I was like, what the
Yeah,
hell?
me too. I'm like, what the hell? This thing just threw random letters on that bit. It's like, I got a kid now.
That's number 12.
How he beats his kid at night. He's gonna be like patch 1.3.
XAE12 dinner's ready.
Oh, we have a strong resistance here. Never mind. That was a weak one. Yeah.
I was making fun of the name on Twitter. Oh man, that shit was hilarious. Put like a robot voice.
Oh, with the what was that one movie? Robot? It's called
Yeah.
Robot, right?
iRobot
Yeah, I
or something, right?
think so.
iRobot.
No, it's not iRobot.
Some shit like that.
iRobot's with Will Smith.
The cartoon one, right?
Yeah, it's this robots.
It's like blue. It's like blue. Yeah, something like that.
Some shit like that. Alright. Hold on. I'm looking at gold. That's some shit you barely hear me say, but going back.
Yeah.
Bro, I need my bigger truck and my trailer worked on so I
truck?
can.
Oh, yeah, Jimmy has a
Oh,
video.
this
There
is
you go.
not-
Yeah, Jimmy came in clutch.
I'm turning my little truck for a bigger truck and some cash. Then I'm gonna save up some more and give me a forklift. And
Forklift.
that's about it.
What you finna do with forklift?
Cause you know I sell the motors, right? Like the LS motor.
I forgot all about that.
I used some of that forex money and been flipping, bro. I've been in hella profit so basically I got 5 places that I get motors from, right? So like every time I get a motor, it's between minimum is $150 and profit usually be like $400 to like $500 every time.
Damn. No drawdown.
No
Crazy.
drawdown.
No.
At all.
No drawdown. Not even. No drawdown on the charts. No drawdown in real life. Crazy.
So that's why I showed y'all that big ass.
Yeah, I'm gonna add Mike and Duncan to the call.
Hey.
Yeah.
Let him in. Let him in.
Done.
What happened?
Oh,
Bruh, you use Amex, right?
Me?
bro, I'm about to take profit on Jerk.
I'm talking about Tosh.
Oh, I have an Amex.
Oh.
Platinum.
You
Platinum
have
gang.
the Sky
Platinum.
Miles or no?
No, I have the I don't know. I only have the platinum card.
Oh man.
Break even.
But yeah, they said if you have Sky Miles, like bruh, they doing like hella fun shit until July. They said if you spend like on a grocery store, you get 4 times miles. I'm gonna be flying everywhere for free after this shit over.
You said flying everywhere.
They
Bruh,
had
4 times Sky Miles. You crazy if you think I'm not fucking flying after this shit over.
Bro. It's gonna be too early, Junior.
No. Once all of it's over, like probably like fall time type shit.
I don't know. I ain't going nowhere, bro. To be honest, until they say, yeah, this stuff is gone.
Nah, this
Then
shit can't be gone. It's gonna be like minimized, but not gone.
I'll be scared to go places and shit.
Alright, I'm gonna take that back.
I'm
Next
pretty
year.
sure people still gonna be wearing masks and all that.
Bro, I can't wear a mask. I'm sorry, I can't breathe on that shit. Bro. I've been wearing masks and shit. Bro, I take it off like midday. I'm like, bro, I can't fucking breathe. God damn.
Come on, Jared, fly up, bro. I got you at break even.
I can't flip bullish. Yeah, you gotta go.
Oh, gold coming down here. Yeah, gold. If you guys look at gold, we're just stuck in the range right now. So, I'll suggest you guys just wait for this range to break out because this is a pretty strong resistance at 1722. But if we do break this, we should head up to like 29 area today, right? It's just that we're in the range. We'll need what we need is we'll need like a breakout of this range, this resistance right here, because this resistance is. Well, we need a breakout above this previous candle high because this candle high is like the this is a bearish candle, right? So if a bullish candle were to come up and pretty much form something like this, then now you can say that price has to respect whatever low it made to continue to come up. Because if you enter right now for a buy, you don't know how far this candle's gonna drop down by. It's at support, sure, but it also broke the previous candle low, right? And you don't know that how far it's gonna drive down. It can drive down to here. You don't know that. So I'll wait for a break above here because now that once the candle breaks that, we'll know that price broke structure and we should be heading like up, right, to like wherever target we want to the left. So keep an eye out for that for gold because I think gold has no traffic from coming from up there. Let me see.
More China news, bro. Part 2. More trade talk.
Yeah.
And they said stock's gonna open higher.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, user they look like we jetted off this resistance area, so let's see what happens now.
Looking at DXY, that should look like that shit. Yeah, it's clear chat. It has clear traffic to go up. After it breaks his 1 hour candle. Nothing stopping that bit.
I'm taking $100 on Jer and I'm done for today.
What's Jer doing? Let me see Jer. Let me see what you guys are looking at. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's gonna probably come up to fill his wake. This is our my resistance.
Yeah, because 30 minutes, it's that one candle.
Yeah,
for that
it's
big
minor
drop.
resistance.
Literally.
But major
top,
resistance. I wouldn't say minor, major resistance.
No top wick, no bottom wick. I ain't never seen that shit.
Because it broke out. It broke out and
Because
retested.
yeah.
So right now, I just bought this retest for now.
Because like here's the thing about right now we're looking at Jer. We have this resistance right here. You see my screen? So for us to actually continue up, we'll need a break of this right here. Because once price breaks that, we'll say price is gonna go up. But like from here to here, no one knows what's gonna happen. Like it's just like because like this is like just a strong resistance, right? And these are all candle closures below this range. So for us to actually come up, we'll need a bullish candle closure above here, or we'll actually need just a break of this right here to see what will go up. Right? Because what happened here, this candle right here, price broke this wick right here broke above that. That's why it continued to go up. Like since there's no candle or any closure above here, we don't know that price is gonna go up, right? Because like the previous kind of high is actually up here. So this is like runner territory. Like you can have a runner all the way up to here anticipating that we're gonna continue up, but it's just that right now would be a pretty safe exit point, you know, tapping that resistance. But yeah, it has a pretty high chance of coming up because the daily just pure bullish. If the daily continues bullish, bro, we can reach probably like, I don't know, maybe next week or something, 11126. This area right here. Right here. Yeah. Like, I'll probably leave a runner or some shit. Try my luck to continue up, but I'll secure some profits here. You got that, Taj?
Yeah, bro. I'm just looking in the past, bro. I could have made some money because I use my dailies. My day.
Yeah, they looks clean.
I was trying to get into a buy on Tuesday, but I wasn't.
Yeah, they looks clean as shit.
Bruh, once I did that 529, well 530 retest on Tuesday, oh my god. Held that bitch all week. No drawdown. It won't even hit entry again, bro.
I would have been sick, bro.
Facts.
But you know, trading don't stop.
What it is.
Trading don't stop.
Trading don't stop. Ain't no woulda, coulda, shoulda.
If you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like. You know, having fun times here. Me, Taj, and Jimmy only. Lock just came in here.
Lock in his vids.
Being
Just
all
chilling.
quiet and shit.
The
Bro.
professor.
How
So-
do you guys wake up so early?
How do you wake
Because
up so late?
we wake
How
up
do you
for
wake
New
up so
York.
late?
Wake up so late.
How do you wake up so late?
You mean how do I? Yo, I always
Wake up.
7, bro.
Bro,
How you gonna
I have
catch-
allergies at, I guess, at 4 a.m. So that's
Damn.
why I wake up.
Bruh, I drive my grandma to work at 4:30 a.m. bruh.
Bruh.
So I wake up. That's been my daily schedule. Bro. Wake up at 4:30. Drive my grandma.
I wake up for just pure just
Speed
and
home.
NY Open. Like for not even NY Open, like pre New York and London.
Oh, you wake up for pre-New York, yeah.
What's your bias on GG right now? I caught sells earlier. But right now, like I have no bias. It's just a range, and also it's a bank holiday, which I did not know about until like later. I see the trade.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
gonna be stuck in this range really all day.
But
Gonna be-
what I'll say is, if we do come down here, right? So if you look at, we had some resistance here, we had a support here, right? This right here was a clean traffic move from here to here, right there. This is what we caught, right? Me and Jimmy caught this. But what we need is actually probably a break of this range right here, because like we have some like resistance support here. So we'll break that. We'll probably come down to here. This will be a clean traffic move from here to here, right? This will be the move. And we can probably try to have a runner down wherever here, but it just has a lot of traffic in this box. So if you draw like a range across like this, it's a pretty big range, pretty big support level, like, so keep in mind for that. But yeah, we'll probably need a break below this point right here. So say we're gonna continue down bearish. So that would be your move, right? Because this kind of right here, we don't know that how high it's gonna come up, right? Because we just do that.
Wait, I was testing.
No, it's fine. Yeah, this kind of right here, we don't know how high it's gonna go up because it didn't close yet. We have like 13 minutes left. It can just come up to wherever it retested this resistance, but we don't know how far the retest is gonna come until it actually closes bearish. It can either close bearish, you can look for potential entries, or you can just wait for an actual break of this low right here to come down to here, right? And this will be the move, right? Because we don't know. This kind we don't know. It can still push up. That's the thing. So then your stops would be up here, and your entry would be there, and your TP would be around this area. And that'll be a trade, right? But keep in mind it's a bank holiday, so you might not get the cleanest move. And it's like a 10 pips or something. It's like
If
a
you
small
look at
range.
the hourly, it looks like it's gonna fill that wick, cause it's just.
Can you break down that sell you caught earlier real quick? Yeah, I got you. I broke it down already, but I did it again. Pretty much what me and Jimmy did was actually not even me and Jimmy. Jimmy got on a call after me. He hopped on a Zoom call later, but we just realized we got the same entries. We had the same idea though,
Once
so
you
pretty
see-
much
hold on. This can right here.
yeah.
This is right here. Once I seen this slow, yeah. Once I seen this slow get broken, wait. Why would y'all?
Boy, get your
But yeah, once I seen that 15-minute candle getting broken, I'm like, it's good for sell. Plus,
Yeah.
this is clear traffic also.
So like what happened here was like how I looked at it was like we had this, we had made a support earlier right here, and then this kind of right here closed bearish below this range, right? So I realized that okay, price probably broke support, and we're probably gonna head down to the next level, right? So if I zoom out a little bit, you'll see that right here from below here, right? If I were to draw across below here to down here, this right here is your clean traffic move. This right here, there's no traffic here, it's just pure bullish candles here. So it's a mirror candle on this side, right? So what I did was I had entries as a sell stop right here, because once price breaks below that low, because like look, here's the thing, this candle closed below the range, but we don't know how far this candle's gonna drive up by, right? So what we could do is you can wait for price to break below the previous candle low to say that we're gonna continue coming down, and the price looks left, no traffic. So pretty much what I did was I had entries there, stops above here, and exits around this area, right? Because that's when we had traffic. So that's where my exit was. And yeah, it's pretty much, it was a pretty quick move. Like I had no drawdown on it. When my stall stuff got activated, it was just straight into profits, and I secured like 8 pips on it. But that was a trade, It was only 8 pips, but
something's better than nothing, man.
like you can't even complain. We had like no drawdown. It's like saying it's a 0 to 10, 0 to 8 risk to reward. You got no drawdown on it. You can't even complain on it.
Yo, Don, USD strong for NFP.
Think USD is gonna be strong?
Nope.
Yeah.
I don't
Why
know.
would USD strong?
I don't know what's gonna be.
Um,
I'm more on the obviously more on the gonna be bad,
Weak
but
side.
it
Yeah,
can
weak
be
side.
it can be strong. Who knows? The numbers can be bad, but it can be good for the economy somehow. Like
Yeah, because they said stocks gonna open up higher.
yeah.
So yeah, we'll see. We ain't no genies out here. So whatever happens, happens. Dude. What is today? Today is the 8th.
Yeah, the
Whoever's been in Netflix is eating so well.
Well, what happened?
It went up.
Sheesh.
It's been going up.
Right, I'm telling them.
Bro,
Coins.
bro, I had a friend who told me she was gonna put 90% of her portfolio on Amazon,
What?
and then
Why?
dude, because she's like, oh, Amazon's unbeatable, right? One day, you heard how like Amazon they went on strike?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one day they went on strike, her whole portfolio blew up.
Damn.
Like she lost like 10 racks, bro.
What? 10 racks?
Yeah.
Hell no, bro.
Yeah, and Amazon share is 2.4K.
Why?
Yo, log. It's a log. Just look at my screen real quick. I'll show you what happened to his account.
Oh yeah.
Nah, it's go to YouTube. You'll see it. I don't know if you'll see it here. Go on YouTube. You'll see it.
Dangerous, bro.
Bruh, what? Throw that bitch in a fucking FOREX exchange account, man.
Nah,
Swear.
but she's done investing forever.
100%. 100%
Bro.
return in a month. Not. I swear.
It was bad, man.
What's up, Mo?
Dun, 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 dun.
Hope you did good on your exam, Mo.
Yeah, bro. Hope you did good on
I
your
don't
exam.
know how
What
to
time is
pronounce
it
it.
there? How do you have an exam at 7:20 a.m.? That's from like
probably-
the UK.
Exams for what?
Bro, I don't know. Everyone has their own exams. It's not just you, luck.
Exams for IML?
What? Chill. Bruh, so I told you what happened, right?
Yeah.
My fucking friend joined that shit. When I told him just watch the Weeks Online shit, so he
Oh,
could get
yeah.
like grasp of it, that was just like spinning face type shit.
Hop in the Control FX streams. What are you talking about?
Nah, I said watch like the basics video and then hop on my shit.
Oh,
Then like this man just got spit in my face and join IML.
one
Do you
sec.
want to waste $250 a month? Tengo
Yo, that's funny. Oh,
You
man.
don't know, eh? Look at us. Oh shit. Oh, I remember that day. Tripping. Oh, let me write this down. I know what's that. Sticky notes.
If you guys are enjoying the stream, leave a like. You know, waiting for NFP here. We have an hour left in NFP, so just hang your seatbelts and get ready for the ride.
The ride to the
Dun,
Blue screen.
dun, dun, dun.
Alright, let me write this down. 5, 18, next 5. What the hell was that? Mind checking out gold and talking about.
Gold.
Oh yeah, I mentioned gold is gonna continue down here. I mentioned how we were gonna like this kind of had a high chance of coming down to tap this support right here. This kind of did that. It's just I forgot what I said earlier about it. I'll wait for news to be honest, because it's
Yeah.
like it broke out of the range right here. It closed bearish and then broke below like just kind of broke below that low. Kind of came down to tap this support easily. So like now it's like it might just consolidate around this area. We have a lot of trouble here, right? But this would have been the initial move probably. I'm just gonna wait for news to happen, see what happens. Yeah. The range, bro. Like if you look at the hourly time frame, like now we can say like the hourly can say we might have a chance of coming further down. to like I don't know this area, 17 to 17, but it's just how long it's gonna take to get there. What if it does it? What if it just ranges until like 8:30, and after 8:30 you'll be stuck in a trade? You know, that's something you don't want because you don't know how long you're being in a trade for. You can like I can say targets all day, but I can't tell you the exact time, like when it's gonna move, like how long it's gonna take to get there. You know, that depends on the market. So
Yo, I'm finna hit my tax lead again.
oh man,
Chill, bro. She a cool lady. Bro, it's cold as fuck. Bro, like literally all week. Last week it was hot, like burning. Now like this week it's freezing.
Bro, I need that type of weather.
No, hell no. Unless you're on
Please,
4
bro.
seasons in 1 week, don't come to Atlanta, bro.
oh, somebody sent a chart. Nice.
This weather is
Nah, bro.
Somebody sent a chart. I
Yeah,
need to
I'm
get
ready
you,
to
bro.
see next
Fuck.
colder, bro.
5, 26.
Oh, sent a chart, guys. Let's look at this chart. See what happens here. Let's see. What do you got here? We got
Jeez.
gold. Nice.
Main chart.
4-hour resistance. 4-hour resistance. TP1 runner. 4-hour support. So where's your stop? Where's your entry? And where's your exit? Oh, yeah, I know your exit right here. That's your runner. Your TP1's right there. Yeah. I'm guessing you entered right here. I don't know where your stop is. That's the thing. Is it here? I don't know. You sent me a chart, but just a chart, you know. Like I don't know what you're looking at. Next time, just label it with your entry, exit, and stop loss, so showing what you're trying to tell me, because I have no clue what you're looking at. All I can tell you right now is that price is at resistance, right here, and just gotta be worried about the support right here. You get that range. If you zoom up a little bit, you'll see more of it, and break this range, it can come down to potentially here, you know, which is your TP1, but. Yeah, obviously we'll need a break below there or a break above here to come up or down. I need to get like you, bro. I'm done with school next week. My resident course, dog. Yeah, man. Cop the course. ControlFX.com. It's helped a lot of people. A lot of people bought it this week. You know, there's a website. You come down here, you see ControlFX course outline. You see the outline here. See everything it has. I'm actually gonna. I have 2 videos left to record for the update of April because I update it every month. I got those 2 videos to record, and once I'm done recording it, I'm gonna upload them, like 7+ videos that I'm uploading extra to the course. It's gonna be mainly about just candles. So, in and out of them. Why a candle does this? Why a candle does that? What does the candle mean? What does this candle mean? You know, why it has a wick? You know, stuff like that. Why there's no wick? All that. Yeah. Right now it has like 6+ hours of content, and when those videos get added, it's gonna have like another hour or 2. I think. So. Whoever has it, just take it slow. Don't rush it. You know. Shit ton of content. A lot of psychology in there. I'm gonna upload a lot of psychology in there too. There's like maybe 5 videos there about psychology. We're gonna add a couple more. Oh, nice. Gold came down here. Yeah, I see this. We're now approaching our target, 1717. You know, just talked about it, broke it down. And you know, came down to target. I just said The reason why I wouldn't recommend entering is because we don't know how long it's gonna take to get there. Like I didn't know this took like 2 seconds, right? But who knows? Sometimes it just consolidates and just waits until like you know, and what if you got stuck in a trade at 17.7? What if you got stuck in a trade like from up here? So NFP comes, right? So when NFP comes, it can spike the other way. Who knows? So
3, 8, 4, 6.
yeah, 17 tapped.
That boy lock putting them push-ups in. I hear you, boy.
Yeah, what the fuck you doing, bro?
No, I'm just putting in stop loss at entry because I was in a GU cell.
Oh,
Oh,
I thought he
nice.
was doing push-ups. I thought he was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Bro,
Like,
that-
damn,
that- that-
puffing
that's
iron.
like- That's like in 2 hours, bro.
Damn.
Yeah.
Speaking about the gym, I need to start going back, bro. Fat as fuck.
You guys are in a GJ cell. I was in a GU.
We was in a DJ cell. Wait.
Yeah. I was selling GU.
Yes,
Honestly, since it's GU, I might just hold it through NFP.
Yeah, GU would be the better option to trade right now because the dollar is open still. GJ not really the best because they're both closed right now. The
about
yen is
GCAD?
closed.
GCAD, yeah.
Yeah,
there's
GCAD,
three Us.
GCAD is moving too.
is it moving?
It's fine. GCAD, there's no holiday in Canada.
Gotcha.
Let's see what GCAD has to offer today.
Let's see.
Yeah. Man, they're just gonna hold it through NFP, and if XXX USD shoots down, good times.
XXX, Texasio.
XXXX.
I'm about to hit the hay, bro. I'm
Alright.
tired.
Alright, bro.
My brother.
I'll catch you on Monday, alright?
I got you. I got you.
Rest easy, bruh.
Rest easy, champ.
Rest easy, bruh.
bro.
Bro, y'all sound like this man dying and shit. He just goes to sleep. Chill,
I'm
chill.
so tired.
Go to sleep.
Bro, I was falling asleep right now.
Mo said, as you can see, my bias wasn't correct, but can you explain where I went wrong with my analysis? I don't see. Send a chart. I think I'm not sure you sent a chart or not. Don't send the full link. Maybe you're saying it wrong, but I don't know. Send a chart. Yeah, that's what we were missing here. You see a true top on gold, 30 minute. I don't know what those are. I don't see those things.
Yeah.
I
feel that
see,
way,
you know, for gold, yeah, I see as triple tops. You know, it's just resistance.
Triple top.
Just a resistance.
You got a triple top. You got an M. You got
Right,
a
triple top, you got an M, you got triple top, you got triple top to the upside, 3 taps to the upside, meaning we're gonna come down. Idols.
Valid resistance.
It's the resistance, man. Break a resistance
Wow.
from and form above zone by stops but below previous. Wait, what?
Huh?
What a
Break a
champion.
resistance and form above zone stops below previous. Oh yeah, 30 minute low TP next 4 hour resistance above. Here's the thing. You got in right here because I honestly think here. I think my chart looks nicer. Let me go on my chart. If you look to the left, this is a very strong 1 hour resistance. I think that's where you were wrong right here. You know, because if you look to the left, look at all this traffic you have right here. This wick right here, boom. Wick right here, boom. This candle close right here. Like sure. And here's the thing. What you could have done right here was actually wait for a break of this candle right here, right? Because think about this candle. If you answer off of this candle, you're probably guessing that we're gonna continue to come up, but you don't know how far this candle's gonna pull back. Because obviously it's gonna be a pullback, right? We tap the resistance. You don't know how far the candle's gonna pull back. For us to know that we're gonna go up, is we're gonna have to break this top of right here. That's when we know we're gonna come up. Like sure, right here made sense, but like personally, I'll wait for a break of this resistance because that's when we know that pullback's done. So like for example, this candle would have done like something like this. This candle would have done if it were to go up, it would have done something like this. Where's my drawing tool? So would it came up like this, broke the high, and wherever the wick is, now you know that this is your low. Because this candle is currently breaking the high. So this would be your low and this would be your entry. That would be your stop loss, obviously. And wherever to the next target is to the left, right? But that's the second thing you went wrong here. But the first thing was I'm just realizing that we're just at a strong resistance. But yeah, I see you. I see your trade deal. It makes sense. It's just your resistance is just drawn a little wrong, or you're just missing a resistance there, right? You gotta look left more. See, on the phone you might not see it because like it's the phone, you can't see much, but on a computer you would probably have seen it. So that's the advantage of disadvantage of using a phone sometimes. You might not see things clear as if you were on a computer. But yeah, since like obviously this candle right here broke the low. I mean, this candle closed bearish. Like I'm not sure what candle you entered off of. It would have to be this bullish candle right here. You have a buy sub from there or something, right? But obviously with these candles, the are closed bearish, showing we have no buy entries. Because like if for example, I say it all the time, if you're trying to go to Canada, why would you hop on a bus going to the USA? Like if you're going from the USA to Canada, why would you try hop on a bus going to the USA? You would try hopping on a bus going to Canada. It says Canada. Same with a bearish candle, bullish candle. If you want to buy, you hop on a candle that has a bullish candle. Bullish candle closed, not a bearish candle closed. It just makes life much easier. It makes your trading much easier too. That's my little analogy right there.
Have you guys used FedEx before?
What?
FedEx shipping.
If I used it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used it like a couple weeks ago. Why?
No,
I shipped something out and they have a drop off, like pick up, like you leave at your door, you print the labels, leave at your door, and they just pick it up and ship it for you. You pay on like debit or credit.
Yeah, it was telling me how I had like
Online, yeah, it's pretty convenient.
happens.
You just leave at your door and that's it. It's like free shipping. You don't have to go like no post office.
Because those guys are telling me I need to pay outstanding balance in order for my package to be released.
Yeah, because
Oh, is it border tax or some shit?
no, because once it yeah, maybe you have to pay for customs. Yeah, customs. Yeah, keep that in mind.
Bruh.
Customs is like a swap commission fee.
I know,
Swap
yeah.
fee.
Swap fee.
You hold USD vex over time. Look at that. Oh, you hold US soil.
No, because I
That's
have
sick.
some stuff for the wall.
Damn. Alright.
Right now, gold sitting at minor support. Honestly, it's quite messy right now. I wouldn't be in a trade at all. I wouldn't be looking for any opportunities for gold right now. I'd just wait for some type of breakout above here, or like maybe like below here or something, right? But right now we just have too much traffic to the left. The 1 hour tap 1717. So what can happen is like we had that huge spike down, like I was talking about this. So now like probably when if this kind of closes bearish here, a different kind of forms. We can say that we might come down and retest the low again, and when we retest that low again, that's when we'll come down further, right? Because this is a wick. This is a weak support now because it's a wick, right? Because a wick fill, basically what it is just price retesting the lower, price retesting the high again on a smaller time frame. But yeah, like for us to come down, this 1 hour kind of has to close bearish here, and we need a candle like this come down, drive down to tap the support, and eventually it's gonna continue down, right? But we have NFP coming, so there's another thing. I'm just gonna wait until the news happens and see what we got after. I'm not trying to play no guessing game. Done it before. Learned. Not doing it again. Not my training style. Not my training plan.
Let's see. DXY. Looking pretty.
Hop on a round pair and make a new analysis. Explain how you go into the three zones and where you wait to make an entry. ControllerFX.com.
PDF.
Yeah, ControllerFX.com, man. I look at gold and GJ. It's all I focus on. It's the reason why I ask you guys to send charts. I don't just ask you guys to send charts just because like I'm lazy to look at it. It's just I'm focused on these two pairs, and that's all I want to focus on. I don't want to have to open up a new chart, analyze it, break it down. Like I could make a quick analysis. My analysis take like 2 minutes to make. It's just I don't want to I don't want to, lose concentration on my GJ or gold. I just focus on 2 pairs. Majority of 1 GJ, right? I dropped my pairs like as the time went by. I went from 3 to 2 to 1 within like 2 months. I dropped gold. Well, I didn't drop gold. I just stopped trading as much because spread came, and after now I got stuck with GJ, and that's all I look at. Just milk GJ all day, and that's fine. You don't have to have a bunch of pairs. You can have 1 pair, and that's it. Master
Don't
it.
try to be Mr. and Mrs. Trade on.
Yeah. Cause don't get me wrong. I used to trade like 10 plus pairs like all the time. I used to just hop on. I know this is what I do. I'll hop on a random. I want to see the setup on GJ, and I'll hop on AUD cat, or like I'll hop on whatever. I'll just go down my like lineup. I just look at every pair and just see for opportunities, and then I will know nothing about the pair. I just be in it for technicals. I wouldn't be trading like I'll be trading like AUD JPY during New York session, especially expecting a huge spike. Like it wouldn't make any sense.
Yeah. It's crazy. Bro, I used to trade some random shit. No cap.
Yeah.
I used to get lucky with AJ a lot.
I used to trade AJ a lot. I used to look at that pair. I don't know why. I was addicted to that pair. Like,
no, like when I first started trading, I don't know. I think it was just beginner's luck, I guess. I used to catch hella moves with that shit.
you're so hard to understand, sir.
Huh?
Someone's like, you're so hard to understand, sir.
What do you mean?
To me, I don't know. In the chat,
Who said that? Oh.
E1 Cullen, no
Yo,
profile
I'm finna
picture.
Just play freaking Valorant.
Yeah,
Market
I'll-
is until
I'm gonna
8:30.
make breakfast real quick.
Yeah. I'm gonna just play a game until 8:30.
I got that PC. You can do Zoom. You can trade. You can do anything.
One
I
screen.
wanna cop a
Nah,
side-
yo, Jimmy, try trading on 1 screen, playing Valorant.
Oh, bruh, no, that's scary because I gotta hear footsteps. And I can't look at the freaking charts of the thing.
That's it. That's it.
I have chameleon eye, bruh. You know, like a chameleon, how they can spread their eyes real wide.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah,
Jimmy,
dude,
you played CS:GO before?
Never played. Never.
Oh, I was gonna ask if Valorant's like.
It's a mix of like, if you know what Overwatch is, right? It's a mix of
Yeah,
Overwatch.
I played that.
It's that
Overwatch
and
and
CS:GO
CS:GO.
in one.
Yeah.
It's like both of those in one. But this
Holy-
one, I like it because like I'm not used to like PC shooters, but this one, I kind of like it.
Bro, I was so sweaty on CS:GO.
It's like new, but I like it. Yo, I went off last night when I used to snipe in one round because like there was an all chat talking mess. I'm like, alright, bro, but I'm like, yo, it was an all chat. They said, y'all straight up trash. We was only down by like three rounds. I'm like, alright, bet, bro. After that one round, just random was going off. And then, bruh, we got freaking ninja defused. I'm so mad, man. Like, I was trying to run to it, but you can't sprint in this shit. You can like, I don't know how to describe it.
Can't believe Riot is actually making a game, a new game other than League.
Bruh, League, oh my god. I love that shit. I don't care how toxic that shit is. I like it, man.
Bro, League. Yo, I be playing that yesterday, bro. Such a toxic community, man.
Yeah.
So toxic.
As soon as I walked through the freaking doorway, it's 3 people right there. Fuck.
Bruh, my main on League got banned still.
Who?
Huh? Me.
Oh, your main account or your main channel?
My main account.
Oh, why?
I got permaban. Oh, cause I used to be toxic.
Oh. But I remember I was super toxic one game. I got suspended for like a month. Came back.
That's my boy.
Bro,
Sir?
you know,
Yeah.
the reason why I was toxic that game, cause like, bro, it was doing the most like ignorant things ever.
No, here's the problem though. Like, you get like retards on your team. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Bro, I was 10-0, and then all of them just start camping me. I'm like, come on, dog, help! I kept telling my jungler, help me, bro.
The
Freaking
guy didn't do shit. He was probably in the
He didn't
jungle
do nothing.
farming.
Nope. Just farming his ass off. Playing fucking Nas's jungle. Like, damn, bro. But we still won, but I got banned still.
Yo, was the ban worth it?
Yes, cause I was gold. I was banned in gold, baby.
Mans are trying to escape bronze.
Nah, bro. That bronze 5 hell was something different, bro. That shit hit
Yo.
different.
I mean, there's iron now, you know?
Oh, no. We'll never see me in that shit.
Mans threw in iron.
Anyway. And nah, bro. Bronze 5, them days will fucking humble you, bro.
On God.
What is oil? What is Bitcoin doing?
Bitcoin? You say
Bitcoin,
Not
Bitcoin,
freaking
Bitcoin. Oh, I think it's gonna come up and buy here. Yeah, Bitcoin is you're bullish.
In Jersey is 4 bills.
Bitcoin is at resistance here. You could say that it might range a little bit. It's at their resistance. Like if we were to break this resistance, good luck. Can you like humming this show over me? Yeah, I think.
Wow. Come on, bro. She sneaked me. It's good. Let's see. What are we looking at? Oh, Bitcoin.
Yeah, Bitcoin like if
Oh, next week it's halving, so
it's
get ready.
it's at a resistance. See what happens here.
Yeah. Next week it's gonna do the halving.
I don't even trade this thing anymore. I don't touch it at all. At all. People love touching on the weekends though. Like the weekend is meant for
Yeah.
you to take a break from trading, you know. But people just love to trade
Backtest.
Bitcoin. Not even like you can just chill. You don't have to backtest, but still people just like love to just trade over the weekend. Like are you getting like in the VM chat? Like everyone's like, who's in Bitcoin? Like right when Friday ends, like right at 5. The market closes at 5. Who's in
501.
501?
Bitcoin?
Who's in Bitcoin? Hey, come on, man. You need to like just chill.
Rest your mind.
Yeah, you need to chill. Like this week, I took a total of probably 6-7 trades, I think, right? And I had 1 loss, and that was Tuesdays. Tuesday stream, we took an L on a 10 pip trade or 10 pip move or something, right? But that was it.
Damn.
Everything under that, it was all call on the stream, you know, all signals, they were all hit. Yeah, it was just Tuesdays. That was a bad Tuesday, but Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, today, like I had like every day I made profits. Like 7 trades.
Wow.
Yeah. You know what? I'm looking forward to the simulation on Sunday though.
They simulate there. I'm off Sundays normally now, so it's lit.
Yeah, similar. Like, I'm gonna do the same time probably. It was.
Kinda
It was.
like it.
It was. I like it because it just refreshes your mind. But why I fucked up on like
I
2
like
weeks.
it.
2 weeks ago we did 2 weeks of simulation, and that's why I fucked up.
Yeah.
It just made me overtrade during a simulation, right? So I'm just gonna do 1 week every week. You do a 1 week of simulation for that 1 hour, and then that's it.
Thanks, bro. I need them sits. Like,
Yeah, because it helped me this week too. It just, you know,
Like last week, that should help me a lot.
yeah. It's VIP gets them once a week.
Oh shoot.
What happened? You have 30?
No. That's
Oh, NFP's in Oh no, it's like. half an
it's in 30 minutes. Oh,
Yeah.
not 30. I'm tripping.
40, 50,
40.
42.
But yeah, bro. Once I get Valorant, we finna be having fun in this shit.
Yeah. For sure. Like the COD days again.
Yep.
Still play that game?
No, I don't play it.
I got bored, bro. I don't know how I got bored. I just got.
Like freaking people want like people always want to play Warzone and shit.
Yeah.
I
like
don't like Warzone. I mean, I like it, but I don't like it.
I mean, it looks fun, but another thing is I can't update the game. I have no space in my PS4.
Damn.
I gave up.
You got delete NHL, bro.
Nah, hell nah. No, not even. If I delete the game, I checked already. I just don't have space. That game takes up 60 gigabytes. Or no, my bad, like 40 or something. NHL takes 20, but yeah, bro, it's there. I got delete. I think I got delete 2K and NHL both. I got delete every single game.
Yeah. The only game I be on is really like 2K when I'm on sticks. I don't be on COD like that.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this dude just wiped out my whole team. Fuck.
Oh, GJ making a push.
Damn.
You guys see how GJ is like breaking this high right here? So like if you look at GJ, we're currently just breaking this high right here. So this high.
Target's most likely like that candle.
Yeah, it's right here.
There.
The target, right? But obviously, this is not like even a good risk to reward trade at all. It's just like these are the type of trades that you just look at and see where it can go. Like you can say that price is gonna come up to here, so that resistance, right? But if you were to enter here, it's like no point. It's like a 3-pip move, right? But these are things that you know that could reach. Like these are things that the market can just give you easily, right? But obviously, it's not a good risk to reward at all. But like these moves are just the moves that you'll know that price can easily reach the target of, and just watch it to add to your confidence, right? But we failed to break the low down here, and then we broke this high right here. So if price comes up, looks left, we're gonna go this traffic right here. That's where we have traffic, right? And that's where trouble starts. So that's where you get out of the trade. If you break this resistance, you can say your price gonna come up further up to this area right here, this resistance, right? But this whole area right here is just pure traffic now. If I were to draw like my supply zone, like this, we just have pure traffic here. So it's not really an ideal opportunity. Also, there's a bank holiday too, so there's nothing that pushing GJ. There's nothing at all. It's just moving, but moving slowly. Because usually I'll say, oh, you knew it was supposed to open, so I'm push this pair up, right? But obviously, the town is not even open today because of bank holiday. The yen's obviously closed right now. It's like yen closed last night for Asian, for the European session. So that in mind. So for gold, see what happens here. Let's see what happens. We got news. Have the album.
As album? How you rate it so far?
It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Like I wasn't expecting anything too great, but it was better than what I thought. It was actually not bad. I like
the beats on it, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, his beats are always crazy. Him and Cardi have like the best beats. Now I think the Weeknd, Abo, and the Weeknd, Cash, and him produce.
EXO in general, all the beats sound like different in a way of like good different. Like you don't expect that shit. On Starboy, them beats were fucking killer. I'm not gonna lie.
Even like blind what's it called?
Blinding Light.
That song was crazy. Artist to Love when it started, crazy.
Yeah. Starboy, I like those beats on that album a lot.
Yeah, Starboy.
I don't know. People say that shit was ass. I fuck with it a lot. It's my favorite album. Go A side. Okay. Let's see.
It's a pretty strong force. Mark that down. Quick. Yep. Right now we're coming back into range, so like now you can see your price is gonna come up to here, as I said. So for GJ, We're gonna come tap this area here, right? What happens? I'm not really looking to enter any trades for the rest of the day. I'll look at, obviously I'm gonna look at gold to see if there's any entries, but for GG, that was just the 8-pip move early and that's it. Yeah, U-Star is reaching some type of support here.
Damn. Wow. This dude just freaking clatter on me on teammate. I'm dead. Wow. Oh, what's that? US 30? Oh, brother.
Yeah. Looks like we're gonna get priced in here. US 30, maybe. News expects to be bad. We're gonna come down, like, because right now in US 30, you know, we have the support right here. So we're tapping that support right now, right? But if you break this support here, we're gonna probably come down to this area right here. Tap this, and eventually come down here, tap this, right? So if US 30 comes out bad, you can look for targets like this or this, you know. Let's see how daily looks. Daily looks like it's gonna. Daily is bullish. That's the thing. Daily tap this resistance as well. We tap this major resistance up here. 4 hours is currently bearish. So, oh yeah, 4 hours. So this is a good example of it. So what you'll look for is eventually you look for this. You know, this is your previous candle low, right? And obviously once you break that low, you have a clean traffic move down in here, and this will be the trade you'll take, because from there to here is like literally no traffic. If I were to draw across, this is no traffic at all, and this will be your move right here. There's no traffic from here, and this will be the trade you'll take for US 30, right? Or have sell stops below there. This is based on the 4 hour. So obviously once price breaks this low right here, you're going like the 15-minute, 30-minute, look for potential entries, look for where supports are, look for your stop loss and stuff. But this move right here will be a clean traffic move, and you can say that news, if it does come up bad and comes in your favor, price can eventually come down and push down to reach its target right here, right? But see what happens. See what happens. It's just some trading ideas out there. I'm throwing out some ideas, some clean moves.
Look at gold.
Gold.
When it's good, it's close to 8:30. See what's up with it.
You guys see how GG just came up to this target right here? Like sometimes these are things that like I see all the time, but this doesn't mean I'm gonna enter all the time, right? This is like a 5-pip move. Like it wasn't that much, right? But these are trades the market just gives you, and like for example, like a 7-pip move. It's not bad, but it was just a clean traffic move. Like these are trades I'll take all the time. It's just a bank holiday, and it wasn't a good risk to reward. But we broke this kind of high right here. You can say that price is gonna come up to tap this resistance, right? And obviously now we just have a bunch of trouble from here to here. So right now this is for us to buy again. What we need is we need eventually something like this. We need a break of this. Because right now we have a support here, and we need a break of this range probably come up. So wherever target up here, right? We need that. This is the count you need above here. But in this range, this is just pure range. So this is like not tradable. You'll want to wait for above here. Look for potential entries on GG. But this move right here is a textbook play. Majority of my entries are based off of this alone. Simple. Price broke out of range, came out, broke the high, came up, tap resistance. Simple. That's all you need. So now you see prices rejecting the area because that was a resistance, right? So obviously what price always does is it comes to resistance, it rejects an area, and since the next hourly count is about to close soon, in like a minute, you might see next count come up like this. You might see something like this now. You might see bullish candle coming up to fill that wick, right? And obviously once it fills this wick, it will have a higher chance of continuing up, because when a candle fills a wick, it's basically just price retesting the high again. Because price, this is how the candle looks, right? It'll close like this. On a smaller time frame, it'll come up like this. It'll be looking like this. So you have a bearish candle, right? Start. You have another bearish candle. And then eventually you have another bearish candle. And then eventually you have a bearish candle like this. Come down, test the low, right? And then this is why you have that wick now, because this wick right here is pretty much this red candle. So for it to fill a wick, price is pretty much at a support here, like so. And what you need is just like on a smaller time frame, obviously you need a bullish candle at support. Tell us that we're gonna come back up, you know, and then your resistance will be up here, and this is your retest. So when price comes to retest the high like this, that wick will get filled, and this is how it look like on a smaller time frame. This is price retesting the low. But since this is a wick, wicks are very weak. So whenever it fills a wick, it usually comes up further than the wick, right? But a wick is a pretty decent resistance as well. But yeah, this is a little explanation of what wick fills are. I explain it all the time. My personal prediction, so USD XX and IX USD. Yeah, let's see what the news does. Obviously, my favorite will be same thing as you. I'll favor the dollar getting weaker, the news, but I'm not really gonna personally trade the news, buy such and sell stuff. But yeah, see what happens with it. Jimmy, you trading news or not? You just don't watch.
Wow. Yeah, I think I might trade news.
We're looking at US 30.
No,
gold.
Gold.
Oh. Let's see what GCAD does. GCAD. Or GU, it's what this does. Because we can trade GU. But I'm not looking to take any trades. I made 1% on NFP pre-NFP Friday, or 2%. That's pretty good.
Maybe.
8 pips on a Friday. People usually lose money on Fridays, you know. Pretty happy with my results from today. Very done though. Yeah, GU's that support. See what happens here. Yo, Lock, are you still in GU?
Lock win.
Oh, Lock's in Lock's
Oh, he's making breakfast. Yeah.
Making breakfast. Yeah. Someone said buy GU. Yeah, it makes sense. That's support. What happens in news?
But just be careful. News gonna come out in 20 minutes.
After once it plays out, they'll be like, "I told you so." Yeah. Cause yeah, it does make sense though, because GU did make a support here. From a technical standpoint, it looks good for a buy. Just that we might have some resistance here, traffic right there, and then eventually, if we break that, we'll come up to here, right? Just that we have some traffic here. This candle close bullish has support, you know, so price should respect this low to continue to come up. Obviously, if it breaks this low, it's gonna come down to here. So, but yeah, once you see price start GU starting to break this resistance right here, this candle right here, you'll see eventually candle pop up like this, lower wick to come up to fill this range, and then when price fills that range, you have a resistance. All you gotta do there is wait for a breakout of that range, come up to this target right here, and this will be your move right there. Right, that's like a
Go just to 1 million liquidity grab, bro.
How many pips to come down? It's a 10 pip move, so yeah, GU does make sense for GU. Buys do make sense.
Go just to million liquidity grab.
Oh, gold K. What happened?
On the 15th. Shit.
Oh. Yeah, it broke a little. If it breaks the high, if gold breaks the high here, we're gonna come back in the range here. If gold breaks this high, if it comes back looking like this, we're gonna go all the way back up to Phil's range. right? It's just that your stop is gonna be down here. That's a fat stop, right? But we need this high to get broken right here. See that we're gonna come back up in the range and eventually close range. Now it'll be a fake out. Yeah. But careful, there's news, so whoever's in it, be careful. The worst thing you want to do is make it have a profitable week, have a good week, or have a bad week, and then on Friday try to chase it back, or on a Friday just try to you lose all your money for the week. You know, all that hard work, all those 5 days of work, just gone in one trade. That's the worst thing you want. That's the worst thing that can happen. You know, I took 7 trades this week. I think yeah, 7. Took 1 trade today, and that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. You took trades. You took 1 trade already, right, Jimmy? Yeah, you took that.
Yeah, GJ saw earlier.
Neat. So you guys probably see what I'm talking about here. As I mentioned earlier on GJ, we came up to fill this wick, right? So if you go on a smaller time frame, it did the exact thing I was probably talking about, like on a 5-minute or 1-minute chart, right? See, price closed bearish. That was a wick, and then price came up to fill a wick. It's right here, and then boom. Now since it's a wick, it has a higher chance of breaking it because the wicks are very weak. Because you base your support and resistance off of bodies, right? Not off of wicks. No one ever draws a resistance like this or like this. It'll be like body to body, right? So whenever price fills a wick, it has a higher chance of just eventually passing that wick and eventually flying up to the next destination. There's another thing on the wick fills. Just that we're pretty strong resistance. So if the gold comes up, what you could say is this is the liquidity wick, like Jimmy said, this is the liquidity wick push down, coming back up, and the price could this could be a price in for NFP to come up. Right? If you look at news events, if you're reading the folders and everything, we have a higher chance of obviously having bad news than good news. So what can happen is gold could eventually this be a start of the bullish trend back up to fill the range, and NFP can just push it higher up depending on how news goes, right? So we're currently breaking the highest here. Let's see what happens. We're about to break the highest here. As I said, if it breaks the high here, we're coming up to fill this target. As you can see, we're making that push now. Right? Look at that. Look at that push right there. Boom. Right now, you move your stops to break even, and you let the trader run because we're tapping this amount of resistance right here. So this is where you move stops to break even, close partials, and let the rest of the trader run to the 1722. You guys took that trade, enjoy it. Broke it down in like 2 seconds earlier. You can rewind a clip. It's all on the channel. I'm not entering because I'm waiting for the news to see what happens, but this is a textbook play usually. Simple, price broke the high, stops below here, entry there, TP up here, closing partials at this wick because we have a resistance right here. So yeah, price rejected that a little bit. So sure, we're probably gonna pass that wick and come up further, but this is the first spike. So the first spike usually comes up to the nearest resistance, and then prices comes down a little bit, ranges, and then eventually it's gonna pass it later. But do you want to risk that pullback to go back up? That's the thing, right? If you guys took that trade, if you guys like that DOG of gold, leave a like on the stream. Gave a whole breakdown on it. Whole breakdown. Come on, man. Come on now. As you can see, GJ is doing the same thing. I mentioned that wick game filled. I mentioned the wick game passed, and I mentioned it has a higher chance of breaking above. So now if you look at GJ, where we're gonna go? We're gonna come up to here, look left. There's traffic right here. So this is your next target for GJ, right? Because this is just a resistance. This is where you have that resistance at right here, and this is where you don't want to be in a trade at. You want to exit here, and it's fine. It's fine to exit here. You don't have to hold a trade past the resistance, taking a gamble if it's gonna pass or not. Right? You can just exit here and call that a day. It's fine. It's fine to take profit. You gotta hold it past a certain resistance because you feel like you're not making enough money or feeling like you're not catching a certain amount of pips. If it's at resistance, that resistance. You can't deal with it. You can't do anything about that. It's just the market. And the worst thing you want to do is fight against the market and try to do things that market usually doesn't do. So gold just tapped 1722 here. So, ooh, look at this. What are spreads right now on gold? I bet it's like 50 pips. 65 pips. I mean, 6 pips on gold spread. So, yeah.
I saw.
Damn. GJ, gold. Broken down to the T. To the T.
If you win against the trend, RIP.
To the T. I said how if the news will be positive, we might have a chance of the pre-news of what's it called, price might get priced in before the news actually hits. And I mentioned once you break this 15-minute high, where is it? What, 15-minute high or 1 hour high? The 15-minute high right here, like Jimmy said earlier, we had a liquidity weight come down, right? So all you have to do now is wait, had a buy stop right here, as I mentioned, and there's probably liquidity weight to come up. So if news is positive, we're probably gonna push up further past this resistance. So Mohammed said earlier, or Mo, my bad, earlier in the chat, he said how he had buys above here. I told him he got stopped out, but what news could do is it could break this resistance to come up further to wherever the next resistance is. I think it's at like 28 or something, 27, 28, around the area. I'm targeting 27, I think. That's where I have my resistance at, but that's what gold could do here. If news comes out bad, gold can go up, and this could be the pre-market move. Push yourself up. This is just textbook shit. I'm not doing anything too crazy, just breaking down candle by candle. And here's the thing, trading can be so simple. It's very simple. The way I trade is very simple. You can say anything about it. You can say this is probably you know, banks came down here to grab some money, you come back up here. All you have to do is face a buy stop here at resistance, and that's it. And that's all you could have done. Oh, Sam's here. Where the fuck were you, bruh?
Yo, what's good?
What up, bruh? We just ate
Bruh,
GJ
get ready,
earlier. Yeah.
The coffin's about to come, bro.
Oh, yo, Sam, go on YouTube and check out the stream. Look at it. Look at it.
The coffin's about
What?
to come, bro.
Bro, I don't know what it is. I can't wake up on Fridays.
I don't know. I know it's too. So I'm like, yo, this guy's not gonna wake up. I said it last night. This guy's not gonna wake up. This guy stay up too late listening to the live stream. I mean the Nav album.
Yeah, bro. Nava was just slapping too hard.
It was actually fire.
Whoa, what do I look at?
Look at my
I
screen.
like the Uzi song on it.
Look at my screen. Just look at the YouTube stream.
Bro, I don't even know what that is, bro. I seen that like a lot, but I don't know what
Bro,
that
I'll put it in the our live stream chat. Like that's the recent video I put.
Yeah, we just broke down this gold move here, Sam. To the T. To the T, bro.
telling you,
To the
bro.
T.
Once I seen
Entry
a
stop
liquidity
loss
grab,
TP.
I said liquidity grab.
Yeah.
Liquidity
Jimmy's-
grab. I'm like, all right, this shit's gonna shoot. No cap.
Thing is,
'Cause it happens so fast too. I'm like, wait. I feel
yeah.
like-
The thing is, it's a liquidity wick, but the reason why I had buy stops here is because we don't know how far this candle's gonna pull back to. We don't know how far it's gonna pull back. It's a liquidity to come down. Obviously, it's still bearish, right? So for us to know that it's gonna come up and actually break a resistance is when it breaks this previous candle high, and that's where I mentioned buy stops at. I just mentioned that we'll have a fat stop loss down here though, but your TP will be up here, right, to fill this range, because now it's coming back in the range, and now it's a fake out. And whenever it's a fake out, what happens? What are the numbers? The 85% chance of filling it, which it filled it, and it has a 75% chance of breaking it to continue further. So what can happen for NFP is we might get push up for NFP, who knows? So sometimes technicals line up with fundamentals, right? So keep that in mind. But yeah, you caught that, Jimmy? I swear you caught that.
Who you just got DJ?
Yeah, we got GG 8 pips earlier.
Yeah, I was just watching it, bro. I'm telling you, I'm not
Nice,
touching it until
nice.
8:30.
Me and Jimmy caught it. We caught it like at 6 or 6:30.
Yeah.
We had a sell stop on a 15-minute right here.
Nah, I just did an execution because it happened so fast. I'm like, hey, bro, I'm just jumping in.
Yeah. It was no drawdown at all. It was like a similar trade we did yesterday during the end of New York. We had a sell, same exact shit. Sell stops.
Yeah.
Well, I had some.
Yeah, 3 more rounds left. Let me end these shits quick. NFP should start.
Yeah, 15 minutes of NFP, so just stay tuned for that. As you can see, GJ came up to touch the target as I just mentioned again, right? This would have been your move. I just mentioned it. You know, we had a wick fill. I was mentioning that wick fill, and I mentioned that price has a high chance of breaking that wick. And when price breaks that wick, where it's gonna go? It's gonna come up to this target right here. Price looks left, no traffic. This is your move. This is your candle. That's what you're looking at. That's all you're looking at. This candle right here. Price looks left, right there, no traffic. So if I were to erase all this, like this, boom, and boom.
One more.
My bad. Boom, boom. This is your move. No traffic in between this range. That's the move you'll want to catch, right? And that's what happened there. Right, that's your move.
Bro, this kid is missing all his fucking shots. I hate this shit. Oh my god. Trying to end this game, bro. I got shit to do.
Ass move. Because what happened here? It's just the pass over and over and over again. What happened here? Clean candle 1, clean candle 2, clean candle 3. Resistance, support. That's how easy it is. That's all you need. Catch a clean traffic moves. Alright, so you would have had a buy stop right here, stop loss below this candle wick, and TP right this target right there. Right, and you can try to have a runner up to wherever target, but same concept as down here. You know, I mentioned the same thing down here. I mentioned buys from here. You know, we had a clean candle here, boom. Clean candle here, boom. Resistance, support. Would have had a buy stop at this candle high right here. Stop loss below the current candle and reach this resistance. And then you can have a runner maybe. So here, the same concept goes for all my trades. It's that easy. It's not. There's nothing too complex. That's all that it is.
I got 2 coats.
No man, come on now. Come on now, man. If you didn't take profit for gold, look at what happened now. I told you guys. It's a resistance, right? And just take profit at resistance. It's nothing like you could move stops to entry, do whatever, but as long as you don't lose on the way in trade, that's all that matters. So this is the 3rd pip move. There's no reason for you not to secure profits. Yeah, bro. It's no reason not to secure profits. At least you learn now, though.
Yeah,
that's good.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I thought you knew that, though.
Nah. I was, bro. I literally went to the restroom real quick and got some food. I came back.
But then again, it was kind of the broker, he said. So, not really.
Yeah.
No
Cause,
biggie.
bro, my SL was in $3 profit. Well, not 3, but $2 and some change profit. Then it slipped through, I guess. What did he? FX choice split though. I'm not gonna play.
Same concept for gold too, you know. We mentioned the sell earlier. This support. What happened here? Clean traffic candle here, mirror candle right there. Perfect, right? Same thing for the buy. Same exact thing. You know, we had a clean candle here, right there, and then we had a replica of candle right there on a 15 minute. Price candle, tap it, perfect. This is your resistance, right? This is your support. Buy stops right there, stop loss right there, entry right there. Right there. It's just the same thing over and over again. I don't do anything different in my trading. I do the same thing every day. It just looks different because the candles line up differently every day, every time. Candles never line up the same, but it's the same concept. Just try and catch a logical move in the markets. you guys enjoyed the call, if you guys are enjoying the stream, leave a like. If you guys are enjoying the breakdowns, leave a like.
The GBP holiday.
Yeah, it's a bank holiday.
And Euro.
I didn't realize that. But GU can still trade, and GCAD you can still trade. Those are open. But GJ is definitely closed.
Damn, got my ass. Okay. Damn. Need the markets.
Yo, Jimmy, you seen that FOREX Rob video?
Which one? The one when he ran over the pumpkin.
Yeah,
The
it's
squash
funny
thing?
as.
Yeah.
Yo, he just trolled. He went like. He's taken to the next level now, just the trolling. He actually paid for a tattoo artist to tattoo a face onto a squash just to run over with the car. It's funny. It's just jokes. That guy's a goal. I'm happy. I talk to him sometimes. So.
Same. I'll
Good
talk
on-
to him like twice.
Good on good terms.
Funny as hell.
I know. So I met him. And I think when he came to Toronto in the summer.
What do you look like?
Him? He's like a skinny guy. Very slim. Yeah.
I know, like, he's British. That's all I know.
Yeah, he's from the UK. That's all I know. But
Yeah.
he hides his face. But I seen a picture of him once. He has like a slick back hair and skinny guy.
Oh shit. Oh no, we giving away top secret information right now. Who's watching? You finna just see in the comment section a lot of
FOREX
throw
Rob.
emojis. You finna see a lot of throw emojis now. You revealed the market, right?
Oh, he has throw emoji. Yeah, throw emoji.
Throw emoji. Look at that.
Oh, what happened here? Oh no. Now look at all my explanations. It's like. Trying to go back to the when I had this. There we go. So we have NFP in 8 minutes. Stay tuned. Have some. See what happens here. You can either get a coffin or you can either get a. You're starting to get any trades after Asian last night after that GJ buy? Or no?
Oh no.
Fuck, this guy lost connection.
Yeah.
Sir?
Yeah.
Jimmy Lee, sir?
Yeah. Once it broke this.
Yeah.
Like, you got it in right here. As soon as you see this shit broke right here, it's done. Easy money.
Yeah. Same
Oh, 'cause
concept.
right now,
Same
it's
exact
going
concept.
for right here.
Exactly.
For sure.
Same
high
thing we just
chance.
mentioned. Look easily. Be
High chance of it going right here. Put your stop like right here to be safe.
like here's the thing. Like this counter right here broke the low of this candle, right? So if you look to the left, where we're gonna go? Tap this target right here. You know, it's a mirror candle, same concept. So we got a mirror move right here. So the same thing's gonna happen here. Stops would be the previous candle high, which is the current candle high, which is this. Because we're breaking the low, we're anticipating that this is the low of the candle. We shouldn't come up if we want to come down, right? Because it's bearish. And that would have been the move for
Gold just fell to the floor.
your stuff. Yeah. Gold selling and US30 selling. See? Sometimes this shit happens. TP tapped and I don't know what happened after.
All right, 6 more minutes.
If
Gold finna
This
go
is
to
why you take-
1800 right
right,
now.
yeah. Nah, I think this just might be priced
No,
in.
yo,
I don't know
swear
what it's gonna do now.
He doesn't like move shit.
Nah, sometimes like, before it did. Trust me, it was like
Nah, they said
100.
this one's gonna be the biggest.
I know it did before, but like recently I haven't.
Yeah,
Every
like,
time I see like been on NFP, he hasn't really done.
you haven't experienced
like,
the
it's
real
done,
NFP
like-
yet.
What's that?
You haven't, cause you haven't experienced like you haven't cause the last good NFP was like last March or something. Right? It was like a year ago.
Yeah.
I barely witnessed it, but yeah, you moved there. Like 150 pips and shit. Like it was a 200 pip day once. Like I remember, but
But like, does it
Like,
move
wow.
it the whole day?
it moves a lot. Like
Yeah.
it used to
when
be
I
the
first
biggest
started
event,
trading-
like the biggest news event, but now it's dead.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's like
Bro, when I first started
FOMC.
trading,
Yeah.
NFPs used to be insane, bro.
Yeah.
Like it'd be 100 pip movements in like 10 minutes. I'm like, huh? I used to ask like my old IML group, why is the numbers moving so fast? It's like they kept saying, I don't know. I'm like, what?
Of course, yo. Okay, what do you
Yo,
expect?
and they was like, and
What do you
that,
expect?
the main ones that be saying, I don't know. It's like they claim they were like the 6-figure traders. I'm like, how y'all 6-figure traders and don't know the reason why?
Sure.
Like, yeah,
Yeah, fine.
yeah, mate. Damn, bro, I'm on the 1 minute on gold trying to get an entry.
Mr. Big
but it's
Fundamental,
moved to
lads.
the best.
There's a big fundamental. I'm waiting.
I'm waiting.
Alright, let's see what happens, bro. Let's see what happens.
Alright, well, alright, let's see, boys. Get the coffin ready. Get ready to put it in the coffin.
Back.
A-Red, it's almost coffin
Let's
time.
go, lock coffin time. Get ready for those buy stuff and sell stuff.
Fundamental trading.
Yo, if you have a stop loss on like a buy stuff and sell stuff, just be careful because that might
Because,
just.
bro, both of them can get activated in like
Yeah.
a millisecond.
Yeah.
You know that, right? So yeah, be very cautious. If you're on a computer, get the mouse ready for those X buttons on the MC4. And yeah.
I can't wait for next week. Second week of the month. Best week
Next-
of the trade. Second to third week of the month are best weeks to trade.
Next week was pretty decent. A lot of GPP news on I think it was Wednesday, Thursday.
I think the rate cuts was pretty good too.
Pretty good.
Rate cuts were bad, right? For currency. Or did they keep the same rate, so it was bad, no?
Something
happened?
happened. Yeah,
Bad-
yeah, the market internet.
GG, thing came down that day, right, GJ?
Yeah, it came.
There's a rate
Dropped
cut? Yeah.
to the floor. No more.
Yeah, rate cuts. Usually when rate cuts are bad, it means that it's bad. Rate cuts are the same, it's very bad for our economy.
Gotcha.
Somehow.
I'm waiting. I put full margin on this trade. I will blink. I will get money. And that dude was like, so many people like to talk down on very good people, but I don't care. I don't listen to that mess. And then he said, then he was flexing, right? Bro, he was up like, I think a band. He said, you know what? You see how easy this is? Literally 2 seconds later, that shit dropped to the floor. I'm like, damn, that's a you problem, buddy.
Well, we got a minute here, guys.
US 30. Uh-oh.
US 30 is making that move.
It's getting ready to.
Yeah, like
Trying
US
to
30
break the MT4.
it's breaking the far below. What happens here?
It's gonna fill that wick.
Yeah.
100%. Get the coffins ready, boys. Get them ready.
I'm just gonna watch what happens here. Oh, it's moving right now, so this might be priced in already. It broke the 4-hour low, so let's see what happens here.
Yeah,
Just,
spreads
you
are
can get a huge push down or you can get a huge push up.
Why would the spreads be high?
I'm waiting.
That's high, so no man's make money.
14 pips spread. Are you shitting me? Bruh.
Ooh, I'm gonna.
Alright. What did the number say, Don?
Numbers, 30 seconds.
Oh shit.
I don't know.
Get ready.
Blast off.
Get ready. Blast off, baby.
It can go two directions. It can go up or down.
All right. All right. All right. What y'all think it's gonna do? Go.
Go's gonna shoot up.
All right.
He was gonna shoot up.
Yeah.
Look at gold in the past 15-minute counts. It came up, touched TP, came back down, bruh.
I know.
A 100-pip move, bro.
Look at this spread, G.
It's
Yeah.
actually disgusting.
Bro, it's like a pit. Shit.
Oh.
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 Oh, go shut it
Oh,
down. Go shut it down.
Oh shit.
Whoa!
Oh,
Oh, damn! R.I.P.
Go shut it down.
What the fuck? Hey,
Yeah,
yo.
bruh.
Bruh.
What
This
the
shit.
hell?
Damn, bruh. That means the economy is good though.
Yeah, it means the news came a positive thing. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's still going. Oh shit. Let's see where it goes now. This is the funniest NFP
Oh
call.
my god. R.I.P.
Oh. Yeah,
Yo,
see?
R.I.P.
That's why you watch.
Ooh, what the hell?
100 pip movement. Jeez.
This is why you watch, guys. Let's see what happened here.
GG shot up.
Bro,
Yeah, GG shot up.
hella people in my other
Yeah, it
group
goes
chat
up to
got their account blown, bro.
On God.
Damn. Yo, everyone posted.
Oh,
like,
news
what
came
the
out positive. Yo, no mixed news. All photos came out positive.
What
You know where
the
this is
fuck?
gonna go?
Shit is
This is
rigged.
gonna go high up. It's gonna go
Shit is
up.
rigged.
All news came out positive, not one red folder.
Bruh, yo, my other group chat, they like, yo, what the fuck just happened?
Yo, rest in peace, bruh. Rest in peace, bruh.
When all photos come out positive, this is rare. So when that happens, it can go up forever. Who knows?
Big blown accounts.
Mike, forklift.
So now that we know the news is positive, you can start to look for US 30 buys, looking for gold sells, right? This is now just when I come in. This is when I look for entries, right? So looking at gold right now, we broke the 4-hour low here, right? So if you look coming down, we might come down to like 1706 area or something like that, right? But obviously we needed more confirmation than just this. We need an actual candle to break it below. Tell us that. So we need like probably let's see. I ain't got much info here. I need probably a 1-hour candle to break below this range. Come down, right? Close wick. Close 728 and then eventually further. We need to wait for this candle to close. Look for any positions there.
I'm so lucky I did not put in the buy. Whoa.
You wait.
Hello.
What happened now? It came back up? Oh no.
Bro, this is twitching. Hello, man.
Man's are getting a call from his mom already.
No, it's the margin call.
It's a margin call.
It's the margin call, bro.
FX Choice. Welcome to the broker. I am sorry to inform you your account has been blown, okay? Goodbye.
Yeah. Margin call, margin call.
Margin call.
Guidelines.
Guidelines. Looking ass.
Damn, EU shot down. So far down.
Yeah, bro, margin call just called.
Oh, I just realized Trump tweeted drain the swamp.
Yo,
What?
margin call. Margin call. Margin call. Margin call. Margin call.
Hey yo, Trump tweeted like
What did he tweet on?
half an hour ago. He's like drain the swamp.
Hello?
Yeah, this guy probably had like 1,000 lots in already.
Fell at
Full margin.
fell at the exact same time.
He put
Yeah.
all of Bloomberg's money in that shit.
Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
He tweeted at 7:52, right? So 7:52, what happened?
Oh.
EU still going down.
Yeah, came down after that.
EU to hell, bro.
Oh. Yo, sound quiet, GJ? I think your mic's on mute, man. I
Nah,
hear.
bro, he went to sleep.
Nah, I hear his mic. I can't hear him. I see his mic move.
Eating a croissant right now. Let him chill, man.
Mhm. My boy went to sleep, bro.
No, of course not.
Damn. Hey yo.
What signals did he call? I did not call no signal today.
Who called signals?
If I call a signal, I'll be calling it in
Signals.
the VIP chat. This is not. These are not signals. These are breakdowns with full analysis, and it's up to you guys if you guys want to take. Usually if I take a signal, if I take a call, an entry, you see like on my chart, you'll see this or something, right? But yeah, just just
DJ.
my trades I take here.
I might sell it. I might sell DJ.
Do it. Do it.
First time on here. Oh, welcome on board.
Welcome, welcome.
Yo, what the fuck? I took in, I had GU cells, but like it hit stop loss before.
Bro, how do you
NFP.
forget your trades? What?
No. I just went back to history.
How much you lose?
Oh, it's
No, I didn't lose this. Remember I told you stop loss at entry?
Yeah.
And you thought I was doing push-ups?
yeah.
God damn, I had that shit for a sell.
Yeah. If it's your first time on here, you might be a little confused. So like with like how I explain things, so you just hop on the calls a little more, you get the hang of things, and you see how I usually just call out my signals or call out my breakdowns and stuff, see how I like to manage them. But it might take a couple live
What?
to really understand it.
Central. So it just shot up with that fat ass wick.
See what happens here, cause yeah, shop with that wick, so now like we're still gonna get a movement. We're still gonna get the act. So like the news came out positive, so
Finally.
news came out positive, so we're probably gonna
Isn't dead anymore.
continue up here later.
Yeah.
If we're still gonna push. It's not done yet. If you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like. I didn't call anything today. Just caught GG cells earlier before the call, but other than that, that was it. I wasn't really looking to trade today because I had like a pretty good week. I took 7 trades this week. Took 1 L on Tuesday. That's it. Had a pretty good week. Had like a around I gotta check, but pretty solid week. Around 12%, 10%, like that. But so yeah, my plan today was just to watch the market, just to up my confidence. But I ended up taking GG cells, so that even boosted my confidence even more. But other than that, my breakdowns today have been pretty much on point with gold and everything. Sometimes you don't have to take a trade. All you gotta do is just make your analysis, see how it plays out, and it'll add to your confidence for the next week, right? If you're having a good week today, don't try to make more today. If you're having a bad week, don't try to make it all back today. Friday is the worst day for that. Yeah, just enjoy your Friday, do whatever you want. Had a good week, just chill out.
Let me see USD CAD.
Oh, let's see that. See CAD news. I didn't see what happened.
Yeah.
It came out positive, right? Yeah. I'm pissed with this move. This move was 22 pips. That's weak. Yeah, this NFP was weak too.
Ooh.
But who knows? Like, it could still move though. USD CAD barely moved. It's like a 5-pip move. 20 pip.
You got Canada printing out money out of their asses and just handing it out.
Panda?
Oh, it's like USA to me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The liberals
sure.
are fucking up the economy.
That was a lit NFP.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Was there any blown accounts in your chat?
Let's see. No, I don't even if someone that don't even
Big blown account.
it's usually pretty safe to play the drawback on trades of major trades. Yes.
Well, I think that's a wrap for today.
Mhm.
Yep. Yep.
Yes.
I think that's a wrap for today.
Oh, look. Unemployment came out positive. Canadians came out positive. Unemployment change came out positive for Canada. Employment rate for USD came out positive. I think it came out positive, man. Because the numbers are forecasted so bad, so came out a little better. Damn. Million drop.
Bro,
That
really
means they added like
works.
yeah, it came out positive. Yeah, NFP is weak now, man.
That's just a 100% move, though. So
Yeah, that was a big move. That was like a decent move. But I've seen like US30 just move way more on this before. Like, look at like the past, you'll see like huge movement. Like, look at this. This is for NFP right here. What is this, sir? Look at this move. This is a 8,000 point move on US30 here. Let's see though, because of this 1 hour candle closes bullish here, you can say that price will eventually come up to tap this resistance up here, right? But the thing about this is your stops will have to be way below here. This is not a good trade at all. Bad risk to reward, but this is where pricing if I come up to.
Oh, the W done. The W.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that. See, my mind doesn't look at this stuff no more. I don't know these things.
The W. The
Oh, double bottom. Buy right here. You know,
Yeah.
good.
Buy right there. Stop loss below. That what is that? Hourly wick. Boom. There you go. Big W's.
big W's.
Big W's. Big W's.
Best commentator ever. Well. Let's see.
Yeah. So we went out on US30. As I said, I'm just giving you like potential targets that price to reach, but the risk to reward is not here at all. Your stops will have to be down here, and your TP is right here. Like it's not a good risk to reward at all. It's like a negative RR.
A negative RR.
Wait for the calm of storm. Yeah, price to calm down a little bit. Maybe like later it might move. Like I'll probably wait for you can probably wait for a breakout of this range. Because then if you wait for a breakout of this range, you will have more info, more candles that form, right? Right now we don't have much info, we just have this huge spike. So maybe if a candle forms like this, and like this, you can have a a nice support here. Then you have a nice resistance. From here all you gotta do is wait for a breakout high or breakout down, and then if you enter a buy here, your stop loss would be wherever. It'd be lower than down here. Enter a sell here, your stop loss would be wherever up here, right? Depends. But you probably wait for a couple candles to form and then wait for a breakout like this, and eventually price will come up further up to fill the daily range. Because US30 is bullish on daily.
Well, shit.
But yeah. Here's that. But Bill, I think I'm gonna hop off here, guys.
Same.
I'm done for the day.
Alright, my boys. We had a.
If you guys enjoyed the stream,
It was
leave a
lit
like.
one.
We had a lit NFT. Watch the recap if you guys want.
Whoever caught that buy and sell. Either one. Good job.
broke down GJ, broke down UF30, broke down gold. All three played out perfectly well. Enjoy your Friday. Don't overtrade today, and you guys have a good weekend. Peace.
Made money, withdraw that bitch.